Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I've got the impasto out. So I'm going to do a soft blend in the background and then I'm going to come over and do some bold strokes with lots of texture. That's the plan. I'm going to start off with the paddle brush, but I have an assortment of brushes here that I thought I might like to try. I want it kind of light up in the corner, but I want to mix in a bit of this sort of tanny colour and a bit of greys, and we've got a bit of blue in there as well. So let's just get these colours on. A bit of bluish grey. I do have a bit of bright aqua green as well. I could add in, mixing it up. Oh, I like this. I like this already. Just a tiny bit of, it doesn't take much of that at all. Okay, what is this brush like? I just want to mix this green and blue together and the white. Drying out a little quickly though. Not sure. I think I'm going to go back to this one. Do like my paddle brush. Not the right colour. This one's not bad. All right. And maybe a little bit of Payne's grey down here. All right, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to make up a few little bits of impasto on the side here. A few different colours. I'm not really sure how much to make. Might do white last, and I've also got this dimension acrylic. It's gold, so I want to add a bit of that as well. So that's the impasto. That's a gloss. It doesn't actually say gloss, but I know it dries glossy. So I've got a bit of matte gel here as well. I'm going to mix that in each. But I want kind of a dark, another dark one. So this is Prussian phthalo blue. Let's make one that's a bit of a mixture of these three colours. and a little bit of the bright aqua green. Some white, and I just wonder, maybe I'll leave that on there and mix that in as well. Make it a nice light blue. I still may come along with a white as well. So I've got those three bluish colours, but I want to take a little bit of Payne's grey through here. And a big curve. We're going to start with the dark colour. Okay, I'm going to go over that now with the lighter one. Cool. I'm going to try where's this brush? All right, let's try this one. Let's try the light. Gonna make up some more. Okay, let's do this one. It's another color again. This is more of a greeny color. A little too much green, but let's try putting it in a few different spots. Alright, let's try the white. I'm not sure whether it's going to be a bit too bright. Smooth it out a bit. That's better. Okay, so I'm not going to put any gold on it, but I just want to do a couple of little touch-ups This sort of harsh edge here, I'm going to see if I can fix. That's not going to be easy, and we're going to need some white and a little bit of blue as well, I think. Alright, add a bit of water as well. I think that's a bit better. Alright, and I just want to fix this bit here. And then I've got a slightly lighter colour. If I was going to add any more, it would be white. Almost white. I think that's just enough, just to fix that bit. Soften this. Let's have a look when it's dry. And here is the final result. And I had thought about adding gold to this, but I just love the softness of the colours. The texture. You can make it as thick or as shallow as you like. So there's some really thick bits in here. I don't know if you can see how thick some of this is. And there's a bit of blend in here as well. And the softness in the background. Yeah, I love the colours. I probably added a bit more light here than I would if I did it again, but I still like it. So that was playing with a bit of impasto and a bit of matte gloss, gloss medium. So I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.